best story was on the cover of a magazine, it said that I was drunk and alone. And just for the record, is there a problem with that?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Glasses, not straight out of the bottle with a straw. It's happening in my group. You know, we've run up a little bit.
Don't worry, I got this all.
Oh, come on, stand up. Are you serious?
What?
You better shit on the dick. Okay, this is a new one for me.
Kylie, I'm posting this on my regular. So pretty.
Oh, man. This is so perfect.
Let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and love. Let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and love. I'm over here, Mom. Mom, I'm over here.
Mom, live your life. Live your life, Mom. Mom, live your life, Mom. Live your life.
She really set it up.
By the
A walkie-talkie, a walkie-talkie, a walkie-talkie, walkie-talkie, walkie-fucky. Etty, these flowers are so beautiful. They're giving me life and a lot of hope and joy for the new year and lots of color. Thanks, guys.
Happy birthday.
Etty, these are the most glorious flowers. Thank you so much. I just can't explain this, how amazing it is. I feel like I'm living in a huge peonies situation. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow.